become spread. So I have now a value pointing to value and on change pointing to a handle change. So now I've got really a much smaller method, I would say. And let's go see if this still works. This should be called username object and password object. And I think this is going to work. So we can see that I can write query, and we're updating our value here for our username object, and I can write password to update our password. That is a custom hook. Yeah, your mind should be completely blown. This is like big, this is exciting.
Not right now.
So we no longer need any of this. And I'm going to just move this out so you can really see the size of the function. Okay, so this is now our form. Okay, that's a little bit cleaner, I'd say.
Can I see custom hooks?
Sure. All right, so our custom hooks is just using this on state for us. You don't always make a custom hook, just this one happens to lead very nicely to this example. Isaiah.
So every custom hook we have would be a new line, be exporting just the function itself.
Yep, we could just do that. We could organize those different too.
Why do you have to name it? Why not just make it like anonymous?
Name the hook.
Maybe it.
All hooks should start with the word use, and that way we can import specifically that hook.
So good question.
Rafid. Hey.
If you add another component with like another file that you want to hook, you have to make another utility file, or you just keep it?
No, I would just add to this, and if I use an input, I would use this custom hook again. Because once I've built a hook, I can use it over and over again. Danny.
So we just exporting it, just literally just export it.
We're exporting it so we can import it somewhere
I'm
else.
just saying it that way.
Oh,
Versus using export.
yeah, I use this way, it's a little slicker. Will.
Can you explain the set time in line 4?
Yes, this use state returns a array. The array is of length 2. The first element in the array is the value. The second element in the array is a function to set the value. This is object destructuring, but with arrays. Destructuring arrays has actually been around longer in JavaScript than objects. Because the keys are still 0 and 0. So it takes on the same value. All right, shall we try another one? I think so. Let's go ahead and make a new component. Now, okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to tell you what I want you to make. You're going to do it with the class component. And then we're going to come back and turn it into a functional hook component, okay? So the component I want you to make, let's call this, this is a pain in the neck. We will call this movies, movies.js. Write a function, or write a component that gets all movies from Studio Ghibli and posts them as a UL with LIs. LIs. Okay, any questions on that? Yeah, Brandon? Sure. All right, so let's go ahead and do this for the next, this should take about 10 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. What?